Ooh. Oh man. March 2nd, 2009. It's about 3 o'clock. And this is what it's like to live in Sparta. Reason number one why I can't go to work. I should have left an hour ago, but I got about a foot of snow easily. And this is what the streets look like. I'm about to shovel the driveway. There's no way I'm going to work. You can see the garbage cans are about 1.5 feet deep. The garbage man didn't even come and pick up the garbage. And there's very few. There's a snow plow. That's probably the first time I think I've seen him today. It's like we live in Alaska, for crying. This is ridiculous. It is still snowing out. Good God. Oh, that's weird. I didn't notice that. It looks like all the snow blew off the roof. It is windy. Now, oh my gosh. It's difficult to really tell on the camera how deep the snow is, but I mean, if you can kind of see, it's a 1.5 feet deep. This is crazy. They said we're supposed to get 6 more inches, so my car is in the garage. I'm gonna get the snowblower out now and try and remove some of this. I shoveled last night, although you'd never know it. I did shovel the driveway. So I'm heading in. It is freezing. Later. Okay. 1 hour later, after the dig out. Doesn't look that bad, but what a hell of a thing. Wow, this is slippery. Sheet of ice. What we have here is failure to accelerate. The plow just came by. It's about 4:30. That's a ski slope there. That's what you're looking at. Look at the drift on the roof. Gotta be 2-3 foot high drift. It's hard to tell, but I mean, it's there. Cocoon. I'm gonna slide right down this damn driveway. Kill myself. Oh yeah, you can definitely see there's drifts. It's freezing. I'm going back inside.